Hi friends, today we are going to see an interesting pulao recipe which is made using broken wheat. So you can see this. So I have soaked this for around 1 hour. So we are going to see the remaining ingredients now. So for this we need the whole spices like cardamom. So 2 cardamom, 3 cloves and 2 small sticks of cinnamon and bay leaf, and then around 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and around 10 garlic parts finely chopped, and 2 big onions, 4 chilies slit into half, and 1 handful of pudina leaf. So the key ingredient for this is the pudina leaf and the soya chunks. So you need to add, for 1 cup you need to add a lot of pudina leaf. So soya chunks, you can see here it is approximately around 30 grams of soya chunks. So we need to add boiling water to the soya chunks and let it sit for a while and squeeze it. Okay, now the soya chunks are soaked in water, boiling water for a few minutes, and then I have squeezed the water well. So whatever ingredients I have told you is for 1 cup of broken wheat. Okay, and I have soaked it in 1 cup of water for 1 hour. And when you cook it, we need to add, for 1 cup we need to add 3.5 cup of water. Okay. So now in a pressure cooker I have added 1 spoon of 1 to 2 spoon of ghee and then 2 spoon of oil. So once it is hot, I'll add in the whole spice. Then you should add the ginger and garlic, and then the green chilies. After 2 minutes we will add the onions. Okay, now we will add in the onions. Saute the onion for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we should add required amount of salt and pudina leaf. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will add in the required amount of salt. Mint leaf. And soya chunks. See, now the pudina leaf and the soya chunks have tossed very well. You can add the broken wheat to this. So it is soaked in 1 cup of water. The remaining 2.5 cup we will have to add now. I have added the remaining required amount of water. When you see the water starts boiling, you can check the salt and then you can close the lid. Okay, put the flame and sim and cook for around 10 minutes. Okay friends, after 10 minutes I have switched off the stove and I've just let it sit for a while, say for around 15 minutes. So the pressure has settled down. You can open the lid. Okay, you can see now. The wheat, broken wheat is cooked very well. So when you cook it in sim for around 10 minutes, you will not get any whistle, okay? So this is how I usually cook any kind of pulao or biryani. So it will be very nice when you cook it this way in a pressure cooker. Okay friends, now the pulao is ready. It goes well with any kind of raita. You can just enjoy it with even chips or any fries. Thank you.